This is a 2018 Haas VF-4SS. It's July 2026. This machine's 220 volt, 3-phase, has 12,000 RPM, 30 tool changer, and high-speed machining, 4th axis ready with through Spindle Coolant. I'm going to move the axes around. There's X, Y, also nice and quiet, Z, nice and quiet. Need to close the door to make a tool change. I'll make a tool change. It's cat 40. I will run the spindle. Started at 2500 until you can barely hear it. There's 65, 7. I'm going to stop at 8 right now just because it's not fully warmed up. I'll let it run there. Got wireless probing system. Just a look from the inside, from one side. There's the inside from the other side. So once again, this is a 2018 Haas VF-4SS. Nice machine, low hours.